Welcome. Today we have an exciting mathematical riddle to solve from Chapter 5, Number Play. Listen carefully to this riddle. I hold some pebbles, not too many. When I group them in threes, one stays with me. Try pairing them up, it simply won't do. A stubborn odd pebble remains in my view. Group them by 5, yet one's still around. But grouping by 7, perfection is found. More than 100 would be far too bold. Can you tell me the number of pebbles I hold? Let's decode this riddle line by line and turn it into mathematics. Clue 1, group in threes, one stays. This means dividing by 3 leaves remainder 1. Clue 2, pairing gives an odd pebble, so the number is odd, meaning remainder 1 when divided by 2. Clue 3, group by 5, one's around. Dividing by 5 gives remainder 1. Clue 4, grouping by 7 is perfect. This means it's exactly divisible by 7. Clue 5, less than 100. Our number must be under 100. Now let's find our mystery number step by step. Step 1. Since our number is divisible by 7, let's list multiples of 7 under 100. 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on up to 98. Step 2. The riddle says pairing won't do, so our number is odd. Filtering for odd multiples of 7. 7, 21, 35, 49, 63, 77, 91. Step 3. Which of these leave remainder 1 when divided by 3? 7 divided by 3 is 2 remainder 1. Check. 21 divided by 3 is 7 remainder 0. No. 49 divided by 3 is 16 remainder 1. Check. 91 divided by 3 is 30 remainder 1. Check. Our survivors are 7, 49, and 91. Final step. We need remainder 1 when divided by 5. Let's check our survivors. Our candidates are 7, 49, and 91. 7 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 2. Not 1, so 7 is out. 49 divided by 5 is 9 remainder 4. Not 1, so 49 is out. 91 divided by 5 is 18 remainder 1. Yes, that's what we need. The answer is 91 pebbles. Let's verify that 91 satisfies all the conditions from the riddle. 91 divided by 3 is 30 remainder 1. Check. 91 divided by 2 is 45 remainder 1, so it's odd. Check. 91 divided by 5 is 18 remainder 1. Check. 91 divided by 7 is exactly 13, no remainder. Perfect. Check. And 91 is less than 100. Check. All conditions are satisfied. 91 is our answer. Let's summarize our problem-solving approach. Step 1. Decode the riddle into math. Step 2. Start with the strongest condition, divisibility by 7. Step 3. Filter using each condition. Step 4. Verify your answer satisfies everything. The key insight. Starting with divisibility, where the remainder is 0, gives us fewer candidates to check. Smart problem solving. So the riddle's answer is 91 pebbles. Great work solving this fun mathematical puzzle.